Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing into your Microsoft account and confirming location and profile details so points track correctly. Once signed in, make Microsoft Edge and Bing your default browser and search engine because searches are the primary daily point source. You should install the Microsoft Rewards extension or mobile app to surface offers and quizzes fast, and link any Xbox or Office subscriptions to consolidate bonuses. This immediate setup unlocks the first streams of points while you move to compound earning methods. Once your basics are ready, focus on repeating high-value daily activities that stack. You should hit both desktop and mobile search quotas each day to access the larger 90-plus point tiers, and make time for the daily sets and quizzes on the rewards dashboard because they add predictable points. Also use Microsoft Learn modules, shop through Microsoft-linked retailers, and use Edge collections or rewards activities. These channels provide passive and active ways to raise your monthly total steadily with little extra effort. To finish strong, redeem points strategically. Prioritize gift cards or subscription credits that you'll actually use to avoid waste. You should track point history and set reachable weekly goals so you know when to accelerate activity. This prevents losing progress from inactivity. If points fail to post, make sure you're signed into the same Microsoft account across all devices and that browser extensions are enabled. If that doesn't fix it, report the issue to Microsoft support with screenshots and timestamps to expedite resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.